All right, this is sub-day instructions for February 12th, 2026. 4 classes. B3 is plan. And let's get started here. I'll be around during the morning announcements, but I'll be here to tell you. Let's go ahead and turn my little video picture off. Okay, all classes, no guests, no passes to other classrooms. The library has been hopping here lately, so please keep the doors closed, and if students from the library want to come in, kindly remind them that they are supposed to be in the library, and make sure to keep our students in our classroom, please. Okay, phones are banned according to state law, so they belong in the pocket, which I'll hang on the by the closet door. Film production, students are going to log into writersolo.com and sign in anonymously. They're going to work in small groups of between 3 and I think if dual credit students can work up until in groups of 6, I believe. So non-dual credit students can work in groups of 3, dual credit students can work in groups of 6, and they should be writing a screenplay for their drama film. B2 is a broadcast journalism class. Juniors are working on courseware, so there should be video tutorials going on, and they should be learning Adobe Premiere Pro. Seniors are doing a choose your own adventure this semester. They should be creating content for the morning news, so as best they can do that with the camera equipment's locked up, but they could be making graphics or intros or other things for the morning news. Most people have, I think most of the seniors have their ed puzzles still missing. Most seniors have this choice board decision assignment missing, and juniors should be most of the way through module 1 of that brain buffet course I was telling you about. B3 is planning. Intro to Media Arts students should be finishing up with module 1, and they will have a summative exam next Tuesday. I let them know about this last Tuesday. There's a bank of questions at the end of module 1. The test will be based on those questions. So if they don't have files to start, we're skipping module 2. So if they don't have files to start module 3, they can review the questions at the end of module 1 to study for the next exam, or the first exam. Thank you.